Yeah.
And my car?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetie. Mikey has a project. It's like a landmark or a mission. He picked Disneyland. All the kids in class wanted Disneyland. He got it. And he comes home all excited to me and he's like, hey, Dad, we got to do this project. But basically what I do is I recycle. So I got all my plastic stuff over here. Boxes and stuff like that here. Recycling is really important because, we throw away so much stuff that can all be recycled instead of going to the ocean or in trash, dump yards, making our ozone layer bad. We can use it to be creative. I showed him how to do this creative stuff, just using these boxes and whatever bottles, and pretty much getting any extra supplies from the dollar store works perfect. What I do is I look up a picture, I innovate on that picture, how I'm gonna put these boxes together to make whatever the structure is that I need to make. I got the poster board ready. Oh, little mama, no llores, mija. These guys, little birthday hats on. Poster board, Dollar Tree. Water, Dollar Tree. The drawer liner, some lights for lighting. My birthday hats for the top of the castles. So this is gonna kind of be the layout. Kind of be. I'm gonna have to cut a hole in there. Once you lay it all out, then you can glue it all down. Or you can paint first, then you can glue. Oh, paint. The paint. Here is the build out all glued up. No paint, about to add paint. We're gonna go with gray, blue, and then pink for this background stuff here. In Disneyland's castle, the tips are blue. A lot brighter than this, but this is the only color that I had down there in the collection. All right. I had to go and get pink spray paint. There's the pink. And I pulled off all the cones and I repainted them a different blue because Disneyland's a brighter blue, not a darker blue. Then I got some gold trim. I'm excited to see how this turns out. Woogie woogie woogie. You get the bubbles. You get the bubbles in your lips. The bubble in your lip. Blip blip blip. Cute little girl. Look at the bubbles. I got the gold rim, the paint, put the water, the walkway. I wonder what else we need. Probably just do some little details I think there's a window right there. Oh, the flags on the top of these tips. And then it's mission complete. But that's kind of the gist of it right there. What you can do with your trash. This is for Mikey's project. You know what it is?
It's for school.
It's for school, but you know where that is?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's good.
It's good? Thank you.
Yeah. It's good for Mikey.
Do you know where that is?
Yes.
Where?
It's a princess castle.
It is a princess castle from Disneyland.
From Disneyland?
That's the Disneyland castle, yeah.
Thank you, Daddy. It's so beautiful.
Oh, thank
Go
you.
to my castle for Disneyland. Thank you, Disneyland. I love it.
All right. Well, Mikey's got to take it to school, and then he's got to get graded. And then once he's done, we'll bring it back here.
Okay.
And then you guys can play with it, with your princesses. Yeah.
And my car?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetie.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. recycle, and create. Alright, I added the little flags. I used a toothpick and I just colored some paper red. Threw them up there. I think this project is done. Cut a little cross here because they have that on the Disney castle. So that's it, bros. Get creative. Utilize your waste. The kids can play with this. They can break it. I don't care. Didn't really pay anything for it. It's just gonna be trash anyway. Use what God has given you. Hey guys, I bet you guys are probably wondering why Mikey wasn't in that video at all. I had to throw this in there just because we were running a little bit late on the project. I had to just finish it up for him. He had to go back with his mom, so I finished it up for him. He did help. He did do stuff. He helped me put it together and glue it and all that. I just didn't get any footage of that. However, if you guys liked what you saw, I can do more. I've done so many of these little like cool like coliseums and you know, like night castles and just a bunch of different things, a skate park, so many different things. We can get your tech decks out. It's a lot of fun for the kids and you make it for nothing. It's basically free. Just let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more. I'll take advantage of this time to tell you guys to like and subscribe to the channel. Mikey did have a lot to do with that. He actually did really well in school. Everybody was going crazy over it. They were all telling him and asking him about it, and even the teacher was excited about it, so that's cool. Hopefully he did well. I'll show you guys the reference picture that I used and then the picture of the final project. Until next time, stay blessed.